Introducing the Gator GRV96MKT, a 9-inch touchscreen HD mirror display and rear camera with dual recording, streaming and reversing modes. Featuring a large 9-inch high-definition touchscreen display, the GRV96MKT is easy to use and produces crystal clear video quality. Simple to install, the universal rubber mounts allow the mirror to be mounted on virtually any rearview mirror. Featuring 1080p high-definition resolution from both cameras, combined with a 120-degree front and 95-degree rear camera angles, the GRV96MKT produces clear vision and minimizes blind spots around the vehicle. Record the road ahead and behind the vehicle simultaneously in 1080p Full HD front and 1080p HD rear resolution. The cameras will record in a continuous loop while driving and securely save footage if an impact is detected by the built-in Impact G sensor. Perfect for trucks, vans, utes and other vehicles with limited rear vision. The streaming mode provides a clear, unobstructed view at the rear of the vehicle while driving. The wide-angle lens significantly reduces blind spots and the display can be adjusted vertically to obtain the best field of view. The rear camera also functions as a reverse camera. As soon as reverse gear is engaged, the mirror display will automatically show reverse parking guidelines, making it easier to reverse into tight parking spaces. The GRV96MKT is easy to use and comes supplied with everything you need to get started. It comes with a clip-on 9-inch mirror display with integrated front cam, a rear camera with video lead, 12 and 24 volt compatible power adapter, mirror mounting hardware, USB lead, 16 gig micro SD card, and the product manual. To find out more information about this model, or to check out our complete driver assist range, please visit our website.